All right, you welcome to Online Maths TV. My name is Jakes Anemo, and in today's class, we have another challenge. It says calculate the values of x and y if 27 to the power of x all over 81 to the power of bracket open x plus 2y close bracket are equal to 9 and x plus 4y equal to 0. So how do we solve this? Many looking at these equations, you will know this is what we call simultaneous equation because we are looking for x and y at the same time concurrently. So what we do, we are having some little challenge with the first equation. This is indices. So we have to solve this first, then we add it to this, and then we fire that. So let's take the first one. Let's take in solution. All right. Now, we hold this second one because we don't have issues with this one. We tackle this first one first. So this, we have 27 to the power of x all over 81 to the power of x plus 2y close bracket is equals to 9. Now, what we do here is to think of reducing the base numbers to the smallest form. How? Can we put 2 here, raise it to a power to give us 27? The answer is no. So we go to the next figure, which is 3. If I decide to put 3 here, can I raise it to a particular power to give me this same 27? It is here. That same 3, if I put it here, can I raise it to a particular number to give me 81? Yes. If I do same here, will it work out? Yes. So we pick 3, since 3 is common to all. So this now implies 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27. Then bracket your x, which is already there, all over 3 raised to the power of 4 will give us 81. Then bracket open, whatever we have at the top, close bracket, or equal to, here we can put in 3 raised to power 2, which is 9 2. Now that we have everything to be 3 3 3, according to the law of indices, there is a video which I have produced on the laws of indices. I call it the 7 pillars of indices. Okay, you can watch it in my video too. This is a division sign, and the base numbers are the same. So what do? Take this power you have here now up. Then when it goes up, it will be minus. So this expression could also be written as 3 to the power of 3x, because 3 times x will give us 3x, minus 4 into everything you have in here. Everything you have here, or equal to 3 to the power of 2. All right. Now that we have this, what do we do next? The base numbers are the same. So since the base numbers are the same, and there is an equality sign here, so these 3 will strike out themselves. So 3, we go with 3. So when that happens, we are left with x. So this one are now left with 3x minus 4 into x plus 2y, or equal to 2. So we can equate the power. So equating the power, we have this. Now that this has played out, what do? We can go ahead to open this bracket. So if we open this bracket, this will now give us 3x minus 4x minus times plus will give us minus 8y, or equal to 2. All right, so let's move forward from here. Now that we have this, we cannot subtract this from this. So we're having invisible plugs here. So plus 3x minus 4x will give us minus, it's going to give us minus x. So we have this to be minus x. Then we have minus 8 here. Minus 8y equal to 2. If you rearrange this will give you x positive plus 8y or equal to minus 2. How? By multiplying all through with minus sign. Okay? So when you do this automatically will give us our equation 1. This is our equation 1. And equation 2 is already there. So we bring down equation 2, x plus 4y or equal to 0. This is our equation 2. So this is our simultaneous equation. We have to solve for x and y. Now, taking a good look at this, here the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of x here is also 1. So now that they are both unity, then we can either add or subtract. But here we are to what? Subtract. Now, what are the conditions whether to add or to subtract? When the signs to the variable you want to eliminate are the same, e.g., if they are plus, then you subtract. If they are minus, you subtract. But if the signs are plus, minus, you add, or minus, plus, you add. Okay, so with this, we are subtracting. So if we are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, automatically the x will go with x. All right, because we can put this in bracket and put in our minus sign. So we are now having x minus x is going to give us 0. Then we go to the second term, plus 8y minus 4y. This will give us 4y, all equal to minus 2 minus 0 will give us minus 2. All right, so we now have 4y equal to minus 2. We're looking for y. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of what? Y. So this now gives us, or this now implies 4y all over 4 or equal to minus 2 all over 4. So 4, we go with 4. So this and this will leave. We are now left. Then 2 is common here. 2 here 1. 2 here we have 2. 2 into 4. So here we now left with, therefore, y is equal to minus 1 all over 2. That is our y. Now that we succeeded in solving for y, let's go over to solve for x, because we are looking for x and y. So we can now put the value, input this value of y into either equation 1 or equation 2. Now, if we look at the two equations, the simplest one is the one you input the value of the first variable you've gotten into. Equation 2 is simpler than equation 1. So equation 2 says that x plus 4y equal to 0. So we can now say substitute y equal to minus 1 into equation 2. All right, because this is your equation 2. So wherever we see y, what do we put there? Minus 1 all over 2. So from our equation 2, this will now give us x plus 4 bracket minus 1 all over 2 or equal to 0. So we now have here x plus 4 times minus 1 all over 2 or equal to 0. From here, we can now strike out here. Here, 2, here 1, 2, here will give us 2. So we are now left with 2 times minus 1. So minus times plus will give us minus. So we have here x minus 2 or equal to 0. So x will give us what? Plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 all over 2. These are the values of x and y, QED. All right. So that is the solution to this simultaneous equation. All right. If you are new to this channel, this is Online Maths TV. Subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop wonderful video like the one you just watched, you will be among the first that will get a glimpse of it. All right. And if you gain value from our videos, kindly give our video a thumbs up. Okay, by saying thank you, Jays, or you're doing well. There, and so doing, we strike a win-win situation because I want you to know mathematics. All right. And so by so doing, we do that. All right. Thank you for being there.